Hi, Jen Cassell here. I'm excited to bring you another design team package from Scrapdiva Designs. Here's all the information that you're going to need. Head on over to her store. She has got some amazing new dies, and I am about to show you what I got. I have not looked at these yet, so we are actually going to look at them together. So looks like she has some of the smaller dies on top here. And this one, it's going to say Happy Mother's Day and Happy Father's Day on there. And this one is going to be a Happy Mother's Day and a Happy Father's Day. And a really cute script. I like this. Very, very cute. Okay. Oh, look, she did some butterflies. Oh, this is really cute. So it looks like this is a stitched portion on this side and then a smaller butterfly on the back. Super cute. And she did a ladybug. Oh, I like this. This is really cute. That is going to be an adorable embellishment. These will work great for embellishments. And it looks like I have a camera die here. Oh, this is cute. And of course, it's got a stitch layer. This must be the base layer right here. And it's going to come with a viewfinder, of course. Or not a viewfinder, but the lens on here. This is really cute. Oh, I like. Okay. Oh, the pinwheel. I was hoping that I was going to get one of these. This is the stitched pinwheel, and of course, it's a layered die, so this is going to be your front layer and then a scallop backing for it. And I'm sure you could use these separately as well. Oh, would you look at this? So, looks like this is another layering pinwheel die. Very cute. I like. This will be fun to play with. Oh, I saw these in her latest video. So it looks like she gave me some of her new Stampin' Die sets. I'm really excited to play with these. I've been wanting to do some coffee projects. I know Scrapdiva World just did some coffee theme, and there's just been a ton of Instagrammers out there that have played with coffee theme lately, and I'm really excited about it. I did do some coffee theme projects over the holidays for Scrapaholics Chipboard when they came out with some coffee chipboard. So I'm really excited to return to that. Very cool. And I mean, it's got a ton of different phrases on there, as well as the coffee cup stamp and then a die in back. Oh, so this is super cute. This is the Charcuterie Board. Very cute. I like. So there's a round one, and there is a like more oblong square shaped one. Very cool. And another one of her Stampin' Die sets. This one is an apron. Oh my gosh, these are going to make some really cute embellishments. So it's got a ton of phrases in there baked with love and care, love at first bite. This could be a really cute tag for a baked good that you're giving to a friend. I really, really like this idea. Oh, these must be the mailer dies that I've seen. So this must be the large and then a medium mailer on the back. And each of them have a really cool window possibility for them. And then this is the large butterfly. I've actually seen a couple things with this. Very, very cool. I'm excited to play with this. And then, oh, another of, oh, I think she must have, oh, wait. Oh, cool. So the mailers, you have two different options for your windows. Very cool. So this must be the large mailer. And then this is a medium mailer. Very, very cool though. I like this. This has a ton of possibilities. These boxes are going to be really big when you're done with them. And then, oh, I really like this. So this is kind of like a file box, and you're the best crafty friend, and craft like nobody is watching. Cute. Oh, I like this. So this is going to be your back, the front, and then your two sides are going to be these large ones here. Oh, I like. This is really cute. Very cool. Very, very cool. And then, oh, how cute to go with the charcuterie. Here are your utensils. How fun. This is adorable. Well, thank you, Erica. I'm super excited to create with everything that you sent. And don't forget to stop on over to Erica's shop. Check out all the new dies. Keep a watch out. She has got some amazing design team members, and everybody is just doing some awesome projects with this new stuff. So I will see you in the next crafty video. Bye.